So how do you open a brokerage account? Well, I'm going to give you an example right now of WeBull. It's actually a platform I use to trade. It's something that I love and I use every single day. And I'm going to show you how exactly to do that. So you can also sign up with a link below to get access to some free shares when you do sign up, but you don't have to. So basically what you're going to do is type in WeBull desktop download, and you will be able to see this screen here. Now essentially you're going to want to click on this one and it's going to bring you to this platform here. Now WeBull is a free or zero commission based brokerage account that you can use. You can download the WeBull desktop version and you can use it on Windows, Mac, or even Linux. You can also just download WeBull in general, but I would suggest using that desktop version. It is very simple and smooth to use and easy to set up. So, and I want to give you an example of exactly how it looks. Once you're inside, you download it, it gives you the option to either log in or sign in to the WeBull platform. And mine looks just like this. I use it every day to trade stocks and different companies. And if you want to learn more, this is where the exciting stuff happens. And I'd love to show you how to set up your platform to look exactly like mine. And we'll see you guys in the next video.